Alright guys, so this is a Harper Breeze Builder's Best ceiling fan. I made a video this a while back. This side was on the bottom, but I flipped it a couple weeks ago. And we're gonna be out of this house by probably like around Christmas time. We'll be in our new house. I'm getting a Hunter Vista, and it's gonna be a couple other fans. There's a fan that doesn't work, unfortunately. This one is from 2004. And it's got the spotlight kit. I am leaving this as well as the other two newer Casablancas. There's the spotlight kit. Because this thing's a piece of crap and it barely blows any air. I don't know why people love these so much, but this thing is a piece of garbage. So let's start on low. The blades are droopy. And when I got this, it wasn't droopy. After like 2.5 years, maybe 3, it's completely droopy and terrible now. And this thing blows like no air. And medium and high are like the same speed. And it wobbles. And like, look at how droopy the blades are. That ticking sound is the fan wobbling. And look, the light pole chain is moving around. We'll go to high now. Oh my god, I kicked my AirPods off the bed. Look at that wobble. And the fan is spinning like extremely fast. It's blowing a little bit of air, but it's worse than my old Hunter Discovery, and that thing was terrible. Like, look at how bad that is. And that noise is so annoying. Yeah, I'm done with this fan. Bye, guys.